Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening Settings and moving straight to Accessibility. This ensures you modify touch features safely. Tap Accessibility, then Touch, and select Assistive Touch to access the control that creates the floating button. You're doing this now so you avoid digging through unrelated menus. If the phone asks for your passcode, enter it. This confirms you're authorized to change system accessibility options. Once there, you'll be ready to toggle Assistive Touch off in the next step. Now turn off Assistive Touch by flipping the switch to off. This removes the floating touch button immediately. If the icon remains, make sure Accessibility Shortcut, triple-click Side or Home button isn't set to toggle it back on. Go back to Accessibility right arrow Accessibility Shortcut and uncheck Assistive Touch. You're doing this so the feature won't re-enable accidentally. Once done, observe the screen. No floating button means success. If it still shows, continue to the final cleanup step. Finish by restarting your iPhone to clear any lingering UI artifacts. A reboot often removes a stubborn on-screen element. Make sure your device is running the latest iOS because updates fix bugs that can cause Assistive Touch to hang. If the button still appears, reset all settings, Settings right arrow General right arrow Transfer, or Reset right arrow Reset all settings as a targeted fix that preserves data. Troubleshooting tip: if none work, back up and restore the phone. Restoring resolves firmware-level issues causing persistent touch assist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.